Temporarily pin the architrave onto the lining, making sure it is parallel. This has been set to 10mm. Cut a block equal to the size of the margin plus distance in front of the frame. In this case it is 18mm. Using the block and sharp pencil, mark down the architrave following the profile of the wall. Remove from the lining and secure to the saw stool. Using a panel saw, cut down the architrave, slightly undercutting to allow a close fit. Offer into place and adjust with a block plane if required.